Daridranam Sakhe Namaha.
Om Daridranam Sakhe Namaha.
Om Shanti-Jitaya Namaha.
Om Shanti-Jitaya Namaha.
A life poured as a libation acceptable to God and His people. An ever youthful, vibrant and exuberant priest, an exemplary religious, a down-to-earth human being, an ardent missionary, Father Paul Pallippadan has been a loving gift to humanity from God. His 50 golden years of priesthood was lived as a life of great sacrifice, surrender and success. Anyone and everyone who has had chance to befriend Father Paul would cherish for life the warmth, the innocence and love of Father Paul. The unassuming attitudes, friendly manners, his versatile personality and dedication to work all make him a man for all seasons and a much sought after friend of all. Father Paul possibly could not have enemies. Today, we proudly celebrate his abundant life and unbounded goodness. Born on 2nd February 1941 at Valiyaparambamala, Kunjipalu, was the youngest of 7 children of Thomas and Theresia Pallippadan. Father Paul was ordained to priesthood on 17th May 1970 at the Cathedral Church in Trichur, Kerala. After a brief stint as a young priest in monasteries in Kerala, Father Paul was asked to go for higher studies in Indian philosophy and culture. Bishop Clemens Thotungal spotted the talented young priest Father Paul and wanted him to join the Sagar mission. Father Paul assumed office as the director of Jyoti Bhavan, Sagar, as soon as he returned after higher studies in 1979. A covetable post he continued till 1987. He also functioned as the rector of the CMI scholastics, who were students at the University of Sagar. Father Paul was instrumental in developing Jyoti Bhavan as the cultural center of Sagar Diocese. He was the parish priest of Jyoti Bhavan Parish, the rector of the CMI seminarians, and the director of the cultural center. Interreligious dialogues, audio and video productions, stage shows, publications, students' organizations, studio performances, bhajan mandalis, kirtans, various activities of small Christian communities, village visits, medical camps were regular programs of Jyoti Bhavan, spearheaded by Father Paul Pallippadan. Under the directorship of Father Paul, Jyoti Bhavan rose to a fame as a renowned Christian communication center in central India. Father Paul has to his credit 25 audio albums on Christian themes, a dozen video albums, and many stage performances on social and religious themes. Eventually, his mission became his passion and it became his way of life, and that is what Father Paul is today. Due to the unmatched technical quality and powerful message, many of his audiovisual productions have been repeatedly telecast by National Doordarshan as well. Father Paul's audio-video productions in regional Bundeli dialect won him laurels from every quarter.
झूले यीशु राजा ललना झूले झुलावे मरियम रानी झूले यीशु राजा ललना झूले झुलावे मरियम रानी
अरे होशन्ना 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 होशन्ना.
In 1988, Father Paul took a breather, sabbatical year, for undertaking special studies on Rabindranath Tagore literature at Calcutta University. He also attended a course of visual arts at Pune Film Institute. In 1989, Father Paul was appointed at the Tehsil headquarters at Begumganj as chaplain and parish priest of the local parish. Another challenging and equally rewarding assignment. While in Begumganj, he worked in collaboration with Navchetna, MP Regional Communication Center Bhopal, and continued his mission to spread the gospel of Christ through media. In 1995, he moved to Tulsipar, an interior mission station in Raisen district, which had no electricity, no water, no roads, and no amenities of life. One would wonder how Father Paul could survive in such hostile conditions. It was a turning point in the life of Father Paul. The new challenges at Tulsipar saw the birth of a concerned social worker, a down-to-earth man, a social activist, a village pastor, an excellent farmer, a researcher, a scientist, a great leader, a catalyst, and a spokesperson of the voiceless mass. Soon fame came his way, though he never sought to be famous. He invented methods of water harvesting, hybrid farming, tissue culturing, drip irrigation methods, polyhouse farming, SHGs, and organic farming practices. His revolutionary methods in agriculture yielded rich crops and much profit to the local farmers, which won him applause and recognition from the Department of Agriculture at district and state levels. The success stories he wrote at Tulsipar have tremendously changed the prospects of a village people and would continue to inspire generations to come. In June 2019, Father Paul Pallipadan joined Navchetna Bhopal as full-time staffer and continues his passion in media mission and novel methods of agriculture. Both, he believes, would satisfy the spiritual hunger and physical hunger of the world. In the Jubilee year, he wears a broad smile on his face of great joy and inner peace, of great satisfaction and contentment, and his hard-earned laughter. That is his characteristic feature.
मेरे दिल में उमड़ता गीत खुशी का, खुशी से गाऊं मैं धन्यवाद.
All of us are privileged to participate and witness the Jubilee celebrations of some of the extraordinary religious and priests of the CMI congregation. We have Father Paul Pallipadan, who is celebrating the Golden Jubilee of his priestly ordination. He is a person who spent most of his active life in the villages, sung the songs of God's grace in their own languages, knew the smell of the land and people, walked along with them. He served in the Diocese of Sagar for 40 years and developed mission stations, rural communication center, village dispensary. For his creative interventions in the rural area, he has received many awards at the district and state level. As a formator after the mind of Jesus, he unlocked the potential of students under his care. Father James Yamal, Father Kurian Kachapulli, Father Jose Periadan, Father Shepherd, Father Anto Amarnath are few of them.
मेरे दिल में उमड़ता गीत खुशी का, खुशी से गाऊं मैं धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद के गीत हजार, धन्यवाद प्रभु तुझे धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद के गीत हजार, धन्यवाद प्रभु तुझे धन्यवाद. मेरे दिल में उमड़ता गीत खुशी का, खुशी से गाऊं मैं धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद के गीत हजार, धन्यवाद प्रभु तुझे धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद के गीत हजार, मुझको दिया तूने जीवन अमोल, जो कुछ मेरा वो तेरा ही दान।
Paul has so many qualities that I am sure he got it especially from his mother. Paul from the younger days had been a very happy child. The Kannilunni of my mother. Our mother. The special quality that I realized later in life, because once he went to Tulsipara, I started keeping in touch with him a lot more. I remember when he was staying in that little hut in the village, I went over and he took me to the village to his room. And seeing his room, tears started falling from my eyes. Such a, a little place with a bed and a little a stool or something to keep his food. But then later on I realized how it transformed Paul's life.
So today it is, I think, the day of Father Paul Palliparan, a multifaceted person, like a rare pearl. He has been shining, and I think he's still active. After 50 years, the light has not faded. So I'm very happy to extend my congratulations to Father Paul.
I am here just to express my sincere appreciation, love, and the gratitude of the Sagar Diocese towards Father Paul Palliparan. It was Father Rojan who felicitated Father Paul on behalf of the diocese, and he was speaking about the enigmatic smile which he has compared to that of Mona Lisa of Leonardo Vinci. And the Diocese of Sagar is immensely grateful to him for what he has been to the diocese, for all the contributions that he had made to the development of the Diocese of Sagar.
For your golden anniversary as a priest, your German friends Hermann Josef and Trudel wish you all the best and the blessing of God. We know each other now since nearly 40 years. I am very thankful that I met you during my first journey as the president of the Catholic Movement for Peace and Trees of the Archdiocese of Köln.
As we acknowledge the great achievement of the way that these priests, especially the Golden Jubilarian and others, have made use the gifts that God has entrusted them with. How he, as a person, he lived for others. And I'm sure the Silver Jubilarians as well. In fact, I know perhaps all of them, yes. And the way that they are living for others. And it is in this way that we become a source of inspiration for others.
Father Paul is a man with a vision and mission. He is a person who dares to take risk. He has lived under the rule of CMI, being true to his vows, true to the spirit of the founder, true to his Master Jesus Christ. My memory goes back to the childhood of my religious life, where he took classes for us, heard our confessions, and accompanied us as a strong supporter, even as a referee in a volleyball court. You always appreciated us and trusted us to the call, giving full freedom in the entrusted responsibilities, which made me to widen my knowledge in areas like construction, media and communication, as we were in Tulsipar.
It's my privilege and joy to felicitate Father Paul Pallipadan, who has fruitfully completed 50 years of his priestly mission and missionary life. What is the first impression when we meet Father Paul Pallipadan? A joyful and a loud laughter, shaking the whole body.
Today is the birthday of Chavara Kuriakos Elias. I have some similarities with Chavara. He was youngest in the family. I am also youngest in the family. Today is the feast day of St. Scholastica. I thank all those who have contributed to make today's program successful. Finally, I thank the smiling faces of those who are present here. Once a psychologist said, a cheerful person, everyone wants to be around. Let your cheerfulness make your mission successful. Thank you.